Okay, so till this point, you have already submitted the project ideas. You have given us the component list, and I think all of you have verified the components being ordered, and you have all the components covered. Then you have submitted the literature review for all the three project ideas. Then you worked on the revising of your title as per the nature summary paragraph. You have written the abstract, and then you have also simulated the similar architecture, may not be exact, but something with the code of microcontroller. And if your simulations are running, you might have uploaded the video also and put this simulation screenshot into your latex. Then next task is to generate a PCB layout, which you might have generated already. Graphical abstract, which is a pictorial way of representing what you are doing, and that is also called as concept diagram. And then, as per my last video instruction, you may have submitted the three paragraphs of your introduction section. So the next assignment is now you have to approve the circuit diagram from your guide. For your case, I will be the approver. And then you have to upload the approved circuit diagram. Also, the flow chart you can draw. If you remember flowcharts in school, we have used this kind of flowchart mechanism. So this will be mostly for the software that you are going to create, and your ideal flowchart should look something like this. Okay. You have your start and then you have a end. If you it is a continuous loop, which will be the case for most of the microcontroller based process. So none of the arrows should reach the end and it will just rotating around for just like a real-time system. So that will be your next assignment. For drawing a flowchart, you can use Canva or any other tool that you feel comfortable with. And along with that, you also have on 22nd UML diagrams. So what is the UML diagram? You might have learned it in your software development course. So there are multiple UML diagrams available. You can select something like this, okay? Or it could be a timing diagram. So let me show you a few more. Entity relationship diagram, it could be, or it could be a timing diagram like this, where your packet goes front and back. So there are many UML diagram possible. यहाँ पे कुछ specify नहीं किया है. That means we expect you to draw all the UML diagrams for your project, but obviously you may not have all applicable to your case. So whichever you think is applicable, please draw those UML diagrams. And again, mode of submission will be through the overleaf. So you have to upload this diagram to the overleaf. Then you have to write a caption for this diagram and then the explanation about this diagram. So figure 3 shows this, that. Again, I'm telling you, while you upload onto the overleaf, you first upload the picture. I will just show it to you. Uh, I think I have shown it earlier also. Let us do it again. So I want you to be familiarized with the latex. So just log in to my account. Not sure. Okay. So this is the template, maybe some other template we can use. Some random template I have picked up. Okay. So how you will include a diagram is you go to this option called insert figure and then upload from the computer. When you select your picture file, so you just click on this and select any picture file you want. Not sure what is this picture. And then you select full width and then click on insert picture. So once you have inserted your diagram, what you have to search for is the text. Yes, insert कहाँ पे क्या I have to search. Mostly in the last part of the. Generally, we click on certain line and then do the insert picture so that you get the exact location where you are uploading the picture. And again, if it is already existing, you will get this file name is already existing. So you can just change the file name if you want to insert it full width or overwrite the same file. Then here you write this is not. So this becomes my caption. It's a one-liner, or at max, if there are A, B, C, D subfigures, then you should write it as a maybe timing diagram. B, I don't know, entity relationship diagram. So all those things should come as A, B, C, D. To put the diagrams in A, B, C, D format, what I used to do is I use a PowerPoint. Now let's say I have four diagrams. I will just create one for you. Let us assume this is my first diagram. So just copy this diagram, Control C. First you do one thing, you put the layout to be a blank layout, then Control V. So let's say this is your timing diagram. You can put it like this. Go to the insert, go to the text box, and here you have to follow this round bracket small a. So always put a small letter here, and you can set this to Times New Roman, font size 18. So this is my A diagram. Let's say I want to put one more diagram. We just take this. Now all this fancy concept diagram we draw through a software, which is a CAD designer software. You can use 3D Max or SolidWorks for this. You can take a help of your mechanical engineering friend or ChatGPT. And then you please don't forget to change them as now this has a subfigure A and subfigure B. Next thing is press Control A and then right click and select group. Once you group them, then right click and यहाँ पे save as picture पे click करना है. यहाँ पे change करके इसको JPG करना है and then you name it. So this is how the not what to replace. So I will just say and then you come to your latex. ये JPG करना भूलना नहीं है वरना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. और एक तरीका इमेजेस अपलोड करने का, क्लिक ऑन अपलोड, सिलेक्ट फाइल. You can upload like demo image from here. And then what you do is you replace this with demo image. Next thing is if you want a full screen image, you have to replace this with text width. So width equal to text width. And since your IEEE format is single column, to convert a figure into two column, you have to write begin figure star and end figure star. So now if you recompile, you should see a full page or at least full width image into your paper. So I think I have not included it as graphics. So it should be there somewhere. Let me just check. Okay, so this is what is selected. Let me just check with this. हाँ, ये मैंने पहले जो insert किया था वो है. So if you want to remove any figure, you can just click on begin to end and then delete it. So ये हमने last time import किया हुआ था. So now it is gone. Next is again demo image width equal to 1/text width. So this include graphics command is not working. For that you need to import the library called graphics. I think last time I have shown you this command. Okay, so everywhere include graphics is giving an error. That means graphics library is not included. So you have to go to the top of the document and look for graphics library. Everything you put below the document class. तो ये first line होनी है. ये ऊपर जो green में all this stuff is commented. So आपकी first line जो है always document class और उसके बाद ये सारे use package के library files चालू हो जाएंगे. So I have used site. I need to include use package graphics. There are many more packages which you can include. And then you can recompile so that you get the graphics at the picture. So अगर आप ये जूम करके देखेंगे तो अब ये फिगर जो है वो टू कॉलम में भी फुल पेज आ गई है. दैट इज हाउ यू इंसर्ट द फुल कॉलम फिगर्स. इस बार के सबमिशन में जो 22 अगस्त को करोगे उसमें आप बायोग्राफी लिखोगे अपना और आपका फोटो, मेरा फोटो और मेरी बायोग्राफी, जो भी आपका गाइड होगा उसका फोटो और उसकी बायोग्राफी. और आपको बायोग्राफी आपके गाइड से लेनी होगी. मेरी मेरे स्टूडेंट मेरी वेबसाइट से ले सकते हैं और बाकी फैकल्टी की सोमया की वेबसाइट पे होगी तो वहां से भी ले सकते हो, उनको पूछ के लेना बस. सो बायोग्राफी इज अ ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन लाइक people will say about you when they introduce you. So you can refer to one of your seniors' papers. All those last year's student have published the papers that they have done in the mini project. So I strongly recommend go and check their papers so that you will have an idea how to build it. So I think for 22nd August, all the actions are clear. You need to upload a flowchart, a UML diagram, and approved circuit diagram. Next is very important assignment. I recommend everyone to start making their PCBs. Today is 12, so 17 days पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ. And it's very difficult. और इस point पे we break you down. तो यहाँ पे जिनके भी पीसीबी नहीं बनेंगे उनका प्रोजेक्ट आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं होने वाला है. तो जानबूझ के अगर पीसीबी नहीं बनाना है और किसी दूसरे ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करना है तो इस तरह की बदमाशी मत करो. ठीक है. मतलब आपको फिर भी अटेम्प्ट तो करना ही है पीसीबी बनाने के लिए. यू ऑलरेडी हैव मेड अ लेआउट. वी हैव सीएनसी मशीन इन 509, पीसीबी photolithography facility in P517, and we also have in-house PCB making in the project lab. Okay, so that procedure I will explain you. I have already recorded a video, so we'll share with you. And rest of the assignments we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.